What is that?
A torch.
Durian.
Ala.
Umbrella. Very good.
Torch.
Opo. Suit. Jacket.
Torch.
Ano yan?
Arbor.
Melon. Melon.
Torch.
Oh. What is this?
Torch.
What is crackers? Very good. Ano yan? What is this?
Pop.
Lollipop. Very good. Oh. What is that? What shape is that? Anong circle? Square. Square po yun. What color?
Green.
Anong green? Brown yan. Brown. Oh, one. Very good. Count ka na. Oh, more. Oh, what is this? Ice cream. Very good. Ah, what is this?
Toy.
What is this? Ano yan?
Ado.
Ah, ano yan?
Apple.
A spoon. Very good. How about this one? What is this? Oh, ano yan?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Very good. This one. This one, ano? What is this?
Airplane.
Airplane. Very good. Oh, galing ng baby ko, ah. Oh, more, anak. What is this? Nak, what is this? Clock. Ding dong. Ding dong ba yun? Ah, ito po. Ano to? Horse. Very good. How about this one? Ano to, anak? Ito, anak ko. What is this? Hangin. What is this? Fan. Very good. Ang galing, ah. How about this one? What is this? Ano to? Ha? Ayan. Galing, ah. Very good talaga yan, eh. Ah, ito. Brush. Toothbrush. Oh, more pa, more. Dali. Penguin. Ang galing, ah. Ang galing mo, ah. Oh, more. Ano pa yan? What is this? Ah? What is that? Ano po yun? Oh, more na, dali. More pa, more. This one. Huh? Look, oh. What is this, anak? Huh? Oh, what shape is that? Triangle. Very good. Ang galing naman ng bebe. Dahil nahanap ka pa. Hanap pa ikaw. Di, ano to? Ano yun? Chicken. Chicken. Saan ikaw punta?